Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elementor Pro and build a multi-section landing page, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Elementor website. Click on the Get Started button to choose a pricing plan. After selecting a plan, complete the registration process. Once registered, go to the Download section of your account. Download the Elementor Pro plugin zip file. Next, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugins in the left sidebar. Then select Add New. In the top left corner, click on Upload Plugin. Choose the Elementor Pro zip file you just downloaded. Click Install now to begin the installation process. After the installation completes, click Activate. Now, navigate to the Elementor menu on the left. Select License to activate your Elementor Pro license. Paste your license key in the provided field. Click on Activate. Next, go to Pages in the WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New to create a new page. Name your page something relevant, like Landing Page. Click on the Edit with Elementor button. You will be taken to the Elementor editing interface. Here, you can start building your landing page. To create sections, click on the plus icon. Choose a structure that suits your design needs. After selecting a structure, you can start adding widgets. Drag and drop elements like heading, text editor, and button from the left panel. Customize each element using the settings on the left. Adjust styles like typography, color, and spacing as needed. Add additional sections by repeating the process. You can insert images, videos, and forms to enhance your landing page. Once satisfied with the layout, click the Publish button. Your multi-section landing page is now live. Visit your website to see how the page looks in action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.